Clockify is a popular time tracking tool, but before you commit to buying it, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll compare it to its competitors to give you a better idea of whether it's the right fit for you. First up, Clockify is free to use, but the free plan has some limitations. Unlike other tools like Toggle, which offer more advanced features on their free plans, Clockify's free version is fairly generous, covering basic time tracking and reporting. But if you need more sophisticated features like billable rates, timesheet approvals, or integrations, you'll need to upgrade. Next thing, Clockify offers both a web-based platform and mobile apps for iOS and Android. While this might sound like a standard feature, not all time tracking apps are as optimized for mobile. Competitors like Harvest or Toggle have better mobile interfaces, but Clockify is still solid for most users who need a quick way to log hours on the go. The third thing you should know is about its reporting features. Clockify provides customizable reports, but they can be a bit basic compared to the detailed reports offered by software like Timely. If you're someone who needs in-depth data for invoicing or analysis, you might find Clockify's reports a bit lacking in customization. The fourth thing to consider is the integration options. Clockify integrates with over 50 apps, including project management tools like Trello and Asana, as well as accounting tools like QuickBooks. This is a plus if you already use these apps. However, for users who need integrations with more niche tools, you might find Clockify's options a bit limited compared to competitors like Hubstaff. Next up, Clockify offers team features that let you track time for entire teams, manage budgets, and set up team permissions. While it's a great way to manage a larger workforce, it doesn't provide the advanced team management tools you'd get with something like Harvest, which allows for more granular control over employee roles and permissions. The sixth thing to note is its user interface. While clean and simple, Clockify's interface may feel a bit too minimalist for some. Competitors like Rescue Time offer more detailed dashboards and notifications, which may be helpful for users who need constant reminders and insights into how they're spending their time. The seventh thing you should know is that Clockify is more focused on time tracking than productivity tracking. Unlike apps like Rescue Time, which automatically tracks your activities and gives you insights into how you're spending your time, Clockify requires manual tracking, making it a little more hands-on. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that Clockify's billing structure can be a bit confusing. It offers both monthly and yearly subscription options, but the value proposition doesn't always stand out compared to other services. If you're just looking for a basic time tracker, you might be paying for more than you need. Now, the ninth point is that Clockify does have a desktop app, which is a nice touch. It's useful if you prefer tracking your time without needing to open a browser. However, it's not as feature-packed as other desktop apps like Toggle, which has more functionality, especially for power users. The 10th thing to consider is Clockify's customer support. Users generally report decent support, but it can take a little while to get detailed responses. If you're used to fast, 24/7 customer service from competitors like Toggle or Harvest, you might find this a little slow. Next, Clockify's security features are on point, offering two-factor authentication and data encryption. This is essential for businesses handling sensitive data, and it's something that many time tracking apps like Harvest and Toggle also provide. Lastly, Clockify is a good option for freelancers and small businesses, especially those with simple time tracking needs. However, if you're a larger business with complex needs, you might find it lacking in advanced project management and payroll features. Competitors like Hubstaff are better suited for those needs. To wrap it up, Clockify is a solid, free time tracker that's great for simple time tracking and basic team management. But if you're looking for something with more in-depth reporting, automation, or a better mobile experience, there are other tools that might suit you better. If you want a better solution, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free.